Oh shit. Matrix. Damn, that's picking up alright in this camera. 2.7, 50 frames, peeps. Don't worry, we're going to get into the video. I mean, I'm just testing out this camera. Check this out. Right, let's put this light on first. Oh yes, loving it. Okay, so this is a bit new to me. Gonna take me a bit of time to get used to speaking to the camera, because obviously we used to have like a screen, so I can see what I'm doing. But yeah, it's cool, it's cool, it's looking good, it's looking good. So, started a new channel. I've got a stalker, but thank you very much for stalking the channel, because you ranked up my channel, to be honest. I've got 50 views on the video I've just posted from someone with no subscribers. Well, I've got 8 now, so my empire's growing. Hey, nice, nice, nice. But anyway, don't forget the stalkers. Let's get into the video. So peeps, as you can see, I've done a bit of trimming up here. I'm waiting for some corner stops, and they're like rubber stops, so you don't whack your head on them. Really important to do, really, especially if you've got like loads of corners. I just need some help here, because basically I went to Homebase to get the slate and they never had it in stock, and I've been waiting for a long time now. So I picked up this bit of wood, and I'm thinking about just buying some tiles and tile it, and then obviously it hangs off the step, and I can have like a storage box or something what slides out, put shoes or something underneath there, you know what I mean, when I slide the door. But this is how it's going to sit. I've got you on like a tripod, so it's quite hard to do this with 2 hands, to be honest. I've just ordered a new tripod for my GoPro, because I'm going to start using it, because that update looks like it's doing a good job. There you go, it's going to be like that. So my bed is going to come about here where my foot is now. I've measured it. Hopefully that's a good amount of distance. If not, I'm going to build up. So about here, I don't really want to build up, because as I said, this is a removable log burner. If you're new to the channel, this is my porthole. What I, thought of, my idea. Hey, it's a marine port, and that is oops, let me open it then. That is watertight. No water's coming through there at all. As you can see, a little drip there, but yeah, it wasn't done up tight. But yeah, it's done now. Anyway, there is the shield. The shield's going to be extended over to here. I'm going to have it on like a hinge, so I can like move it when this is gone, so I can store stuff behind the, behind the seat. But what do you think? Should I use the wood and just tile it? The only thing is, this is 18mm, it's 18mm or 15mm board, and it's got like a lip, so I have to have like a runner coming down, if you know what I mean. So I need to flush this with a runner on both sides. But obviously, as I said, it's going to be temporary, so it's going to be screwed down with 4 screws, so I can undo the 4 screws and remove it at any time, because obviously after the 6 months, when we have that good weather, that will be stored in a shed. That won't be there. That's just for now, obviously. The other thing is, I was going to talk about something else now, but I left it upstairs. And the other thing is, this was my computer stand shelf. Tell me what you think, peeps. I'm thinking about putting it here and securing it there for a shelf, like so, because I think it's the right size and it looks pretty cool. Plus I'm going to put my Xbox in that up there, if you know what I mean, and I'll just run a bead straight, if you know what I mean, like along here, because this is a solid wall, and a bead along there. What do you reckon? Because I think that's perfect. It fits lovely up there, doesn't it? Lovely jubbly. I know it's quite close to the cupboard here, but I can put an Xbox under here, and obviously I've got loads of storage there, so when we parked out we can throw stuff up there. I think I'm going to install that. I think that looks pretty cool. So that's about it, peeps. I just wanted to test the camera out and see what kind of quality I'm going to get from this camera, but it looks pretty cool. So yeah, 5 minutes little video, pretty cool. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some work on the van tomorrow. Hopefully I can film it. Hopefully I'll get that done. I want to get that done tomorrow. I'm going to get some tiles, get that sorted. The bed didn't turn up again, so I'm getting a bit annoyed now, because I need to get the bed in there so I can get these bikes back in the shed. As you can see, I've been burning some more, well, If you're new here, you wouldn't have seen that. But yeah, on my old channel, I'm getting through the wood now. See how long that wood's took though? Fucking hell, that burner is a beast. I'm telling you now, trust me, if you've got a long wheelbase fan, even a middle wheelbase fan, go and get one of these log burners. You won't regret it. Trust me, it is fucking awesome. Awesome bit of kit, that is. It's one of my best things, I think. Plus my diesel heater, you know, my emergency backup system. Got Mr. Buddy as well. But yeah, peeps, don't forget to join the Empire and subscribe. Peace. Stay safe.
I'm not fucking leaving! The show goes on! This is my home! They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here!